If you're looking for a way to learn about the world in a fun and interesting way, you should try BrainPOP Jr. With tons of videos ranging from science to math to health, kids can learn anything and everything on BrainPOP Jr. So this is the BrainPOP Jr page, junior.brainpop.com. And as you can see here, they have 6 main categories: science, health, reading and writing, social studies, math, and arts and technology. And then the nice thing about BrainPOP is that they don't just have the 4 core subjects of school: science, social studies, math, and then reading and writing. They also have health and then arts and technology, so those can be pretty interesting as well. Now let's go into arts and technology. And they have 3 subcategories within arts and technology. Let's go to technology. And then again, proving my point about it's not just academic, they also have like computer programming, blogs, conditionals, taking photos. They have everything on BrainPOP. And if we go to internet safety, then it takes a minute to load. But yeah, so the video comes up here. They're about 4 minutes to 5 minutes long, so they're not too long, but then they're also long enough that you get the message to sink in. And then after you've watched the video, which is animated by the way, so that makes it a lot more fun for kids, there is an easy quiz, hard quiz, make a map, creative coding, and then a bunch of other smaller activities about it. So that just helps truly understand it, and then also, again, make it fun for kids. That's about it to BrainPOP. It's just videos and then also the quizzes and other activities, but it's been really helpful. Now for pricing, unfortunately, BrainPOP is not free. However, a ton of schools use BrainPOP, so you should see if your school has like a code where it says like enter code here, then you should see if your school has one, because if so, then you can get free access to all the BrainPOP videos. And otherwise, if you click subscribe, then it takes you to the pricing plans. See plans and pricing. And yeah, as you can see, it costs a decent amount, $119, $129, or $159. But as I said earlier, a lot of schools have BrainPOP, so you should definitely check to see if your school can offer a code. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.